On Module 5, Lesson 22 today, and today's lesson will include us adding and subtracting fractions using visual models such as the fraction manipulatives on a website that I will be sharing with your teachers to share with you so that you can use as you are solving your lessons. So the first problem that we will be looking at is 2, let me use this, 2 plus a half, okay? And here's how it would look like. So if I have 2 holes, 1 hole and 2 holes, then I have a half. What's my answer? 1, 2 and a half. Simple as that. Now in the book, they use manipulatives. They use actually the diagram. I'm just showing you another way that you can do this, but you can use whatever they ask you, but I just wanted to show you visually what this looks like. Okay. Now another problem that I am gonna be solving is 3 minus 2/3. Okay, 3 minus 2/3. So I have 3 holes, 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, and then minus 2/3. Can I do that? Now I have to partition one of the holes into thirds so that I can subtract. Okay, so I can take this one and partition it into thirds. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. That makes a whole. It's equivalent to 1 whole. Now I can actually take 2/3 now. So 3 minus 2/3 will equal to, let's see what, I'm going to take 1/3, 2/3 away. Now I have 1 whole, 2 holes, and 1/3. So 2 holes, 1, 2, and a third. And that's it for that problem. Another problem that I want you to look at is 3 minus 1/4. 3 minus 1/4. Okay, so I have 3 holes. Can I do it? Nope. Now I have to partition one of the holes into fourths so that I can take away the fourth. So I can partition this hole 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. Now I have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4/4 equivalent to 1 whole. And now I can take away 1/4 and see what my answer is. So 3 whole, 3, take away 1/4 will equal to 1, 2, 2 holes, and 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. 3/4. And that's my answer for that one. That's using the fraction manipulatives portion. Now, when you are doing this lesson, you're going to be giving 3 related related numbers, and you're going to be asked to form fact families using those 3 facts. Okay, so here I go. So I have 4, and I have 4 and 4/5, and 4/5. So if I were to create 2 addition fact families and 2 subtraction, I will use one of them. So let me first take this part right here and decompose it. So I have 4 and 4/5. So 4, take the whole and put it here and put the fraction next to it. Okay, whatever is remaining. Remember how we did that before? So 4 and 4/5. 4 and 4/5. Okay, so I'm gonna take 4 here and put 4/5 here. That will equal to 4 and 4/5. Okay, now I'm gonna switch it. just like you do with that, with your fact families, the whole numbers, same thing. I'm gonna switch this one and put it here. 4/5, put 4 here. Your answer is gonna be the same, 4 4/5. Okay, now if you take your numbers you're given, same thing here, you're gonna do that same thing. So you're gonna have 4 4/5. Take away 4/5. What are you gonna be left with? 4. So take away this and take away this. That's what you're gonna be left with. Again, we're gonna do 4 4/5. Take away 4. Take away 4. What do we have? 4/5. That's easy. Okay. Now remember, if you have any questions on any of the problems that I show you, please do not hesitate to call me. Not call, but like email or comment below. I should be able to answer your questions. Last problem I want you to look at is constructing a number line. Okay, that's my favorite part right here. So we have 5 and take away 4th. Now we're going to use a number line to subtract. So now I have 5. So let's say that this is 4 and that's 5. But I want to take away 4ths. If I take away a 4th, I need to partition this whole into 4ths. So I have 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. Okay, so I partitioned it. Now I'm able to take away a 4th. 1/4. So I have 5 and take away 1/4. 1/4. Okay, where did I leave off at? It's 3/4. That's my answer. It's as easy as like that. That's it. Simple and easy. Last but not least is 9 take away. I'm gonna have you look at this part right here. 9 take away 5/12. Okay. All right. Again, I cannot subtract it unless it's a fraction. In order for me to make it a fraction, I need to decompose 9 into 8 and 12/12. So 8 and 12/12 is equivalent to 9, because we know that this here is equivalent to 1 whole, right? So now I have 8 and 12/12 minus 5/12, and that will equal to 8. I leave the 8 same. 12 minus 5 is 7/12. And that's it for today's lesson. And again, if you have any questions on anything that I did today, please email me or comment below.